Hey, what is going on? The printer guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the ink bottles on the HP SmartTank 5000 model. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Also, I'm going to be leaving links down in the description below for some third-party ink that is going to be a lot more affordable than this HP ink, and it's going to be the exact same quality. So link down in the description below for that. So this is our first ink bottle that we're going to be installing. This is the black ink bottle. You're going to want to match that up with the black ink tank. Now the tanks are on the inside of the printer. You'll have to flip down the front part of the printer and you'll have access to the tanks. They are hidden behind that front part of the printer. And once you have that bottle flipped upside down and clicked in place, the ink will begin to flow until it is totally full. You may have some ink left over in your bottle or you may not. If you don't, just toss the bottle, but if you do have some leftover ink, you're going to want to keep that for future use. This is the cyan bottle. A very low amount of ink in these bottles. Again, with the third-party ink, you're going to get a lot more milliliters in there of ink, and this is our magenta that we're going to be installing now. Very quickly, the video is sped up a bit, so this may take a little bit longer when you are installing these, but a very simplified process. All you're doing, twisting off the cap, flipping the bottle upside down. There shouldn't be any ink spillage because of the way the bottle is made, and you are simply clicking in place. Once you hear that click, ink should begin to flow. If for some reason ink is not flowing right away, you can take the bottle, move it up and down. Don't press it, don't squeeze it. All you have to do is move it up and down until the ink begins to flow. So that's really all you need to do to install the ink bottles on the HP SmartTank 5000 model. At this point, you would then install the print heads. I have a separate video showing you how to install the print heads on this printer. I'm going to be leaving that link somewhere here on this video so that you can go and watch that if you're needing to install the print heads next. When you're setting up, that is the next part of the process. So I hope this video was helpful, and until next time. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.